Hi Ananya,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Tell me something about yourself.
So, my name is Ananya Suri. I am doing BBA General from Amity University and I have a keen interest in marketing and sales.
So, what specific skills or knowledge did you gain during your internship at Luthra Exports?
Okay, so I'll start with the starting of the internship. The first thing coming from Meerut and traveling 1.5 hours, that was a very that was a very disappointing point for me because I had to wake up early. So I was so motivated throughout the internship that I have to go, I have to learn because I wanted to learn something for develop a bright future for myself. And here I gained the knowledge, the punctuality, the dedication, the small things that you need in life for a long term. So that was my main point. And the other things that we do the work to how to manage all the things, how to do work, and how to present ourselves, how to present in front of the camera, how to speak, everything.
So, which task or project contributed most to your learning experience?
The first task, I guess, the NDFF, the needs, desires, fears, and frustrations. That was something new to me, and that was very helpful. In recent times, I just needed to just see one thing and contribute to my business. So it was very helpful for me. The NDFF.
So, how does this internship influence your career goals or future aspirations?
I was not at all punctual. I was not at all motivated to get up out of my bed and go there. I don't go to college usually. So this internship has motivated me so much that if you don't go on the ground and play with yourself, play with all the marketing things, you won't get anything. So in order to how to go out in the market, how to see people, and the sir also, he has helped so much.
Okay, so sometimes you have to, as you mentioned, sometimes you have to go to the market and
Yeah.
shoot over there. So,
Yes.
how was your experience over there?
It was very tiring, but we all were motivated. There were many conflicts between us as well, but that is the part of a process. There will be conflicts. There will be things that are gonna went smooth. So in the end, it was just a wholesome viewpoint. It was very nice. We saw many things in the market. We never went out. We just went out for shopping for ourselves, not for reviewing the market, see what are the prices there, how people interact with each other, what all questions does the customer put. So we saw all that things as well and struggled in the market.
How would you describe your overall experience working at Luthra Exports?
It was very nice. It was just like what I expected because in the starting I was motivated that I want to learn something, and I learned so much that I want to have this experience for the rest of my life. This internship has given me the motivation I needed, the dedication, because in the past exams I was not keen to study or do some work. So uh, the internship has helped me how to stay motivated, how to set your target, how to do it for sure, and don't let the task lagging.
How effective was the mentorship and guidance you received from your supervisor?
This is my first internship, my first work view, so I didn't know anything. The mentors and the sirs has helped me. The staff here is also good, that they were very cooperative with us. So overall, without the mentorship, without the sir, I wouldn't have survived this.
How would you describe the company culture at Luthra Export?
The company culture is very good, very cooperative. Whenever I had some problem, uh, Vishali ma'am, you and Sahil sir, you always guided us. It was very good for us.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your overall internship experience?
Overall overall internship, I would grade 9, 9.5, because I learned so much here, but it was very tiring for us. So point minus point 0.5 for that, but it was good.